Never Ask a Christmas Elf by Melinda Kinsman. Never ask a Christmas elf to join your snowball fight. Do you want to play? We'd love to. At least, not if you want to win. Don't even think you might. We can beat them. Hello? They're tiny. Santa's North Pole workshop is a chilly place to be. We live here. But elves love having fun with all the snow, as you can see. This is fun. Got you. Hey! The elves spend time perfecting every snowball throwing skill. Beat this! That cup is mine! So if they plan on hitting someone, you can bet they will. Why me again? Bet I can hit Rudolph. Too easy. They love to ambush Santa, even though he hates this game. Jingle bells, he's here! Shh! Whoever hits him first will find another elf to blame. Who was that? Him. No, it wasn't. One problem you will have today is elves have lots of friends. So have we. Here's our team. Let's make a plan. Inviting one or two of them means every elf attends. More are coming. Oh? The snowballs that they throw will be the perfect shape and size. Quality control. Snowballs. Rejects. And as they make things quickly, there are always fresh supplies. More snowballs! On the way! Your team will be outnumbered, and you'll soon start getting bruised. Look out! Ow! Ouch! Before too long, you'll all be feeling battered and confused. Where am I? Have we won? When it comes to snowball fighting, elves aren't always kind. This kid's heavy. We've got one. Hey. In fact, it's likely they'll have lots of sneaky tricks in mind. Bet you can't get out. I'm telling Santa. Please, don't think they're harmless just because they look so cute. Hi. We don't. Your team won't stand a chance unless you find an elf recruit. Psst! Do you want candy? Yum! If you manage that, the elves will all start switching sides. Who's on our team? I hope this works. There'll be plenty of confusion while each one of them decides. I like candy. Yum! There's candy! Don't do it! Quickly slip away and try to find a place to hide. Run! If you're feeling chilly, you can even sneak inside. Do you want a warm drink? Yes, please. While sipping your hot chocolate, watching elves seems much more fun. Wow, they're so fast. But what if you get spotted? Do you plan to turn and run? Hot chocolate? Oh dear. What? Look! Why not just admit defeat? Today's been entertaining. You win. Well done. It's about time. There wasn't any chance you'd win, so there's no point complaining. Can reindeer really fly? Oh yeah. There you all are. Sorry, Santa. The end.